Hello, welcome to my channel, Supercar Sunday. So yep, gone and bought a Golf GTI 2 litre 8 valve AAG model. Apparently this is the engine I need. So why do I need it? Well, I'm doing a conversion on my T25 bus, T25 van, T25 transporter, T3, whatever you want to call it. I'm upgrading the engine as it's currently got diesel KY engine at the moment, so as you can imagine it's pretty damn slow, especially with a 4-speed box. So I'm looking to do this conversion in about 3 to 4 weeks, so if you want to follow the conversion, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell for updates, of course. So just looking around the car, I bought this off a young lad. I think it was a bit of a project car, to be honest. Seems to be some oil leaking from the front there. I did buy the car blind, but it was cheap enough. Head gasket will be getting done anyway, so I'm not too bothered about that, to be honest. So it's been rolled with some hammerite. Apparently it was wrapped before and they pulled the wrap off it for some reason, and they've put 2 new wings on it. There was some sills come with the car. I'm actually using the sills. I'm making bottom parts of the wings for the BMW 30 out of them sills, which is quite interesting. You can have a look at me doing that on another video. That's my E30 project. You might be interested in having a look at that. I don't know. Depends what you're into. So other projects I'm on with before I start this is the E30 as mentioned. Also I'm doing a Yamaha TZR125 and a Yamaha DTR125. So if you're into old school bikes, you might want to follow those projects or take a look at the videos. If you've not seen my van, my transporter, I'll put a link at the end of the video, and you can click the link and you can go and have a look at the videos on the bus. There's a video of what it was like when I got it. It's just a short video and it's showing the stages of me doing the repair work, the welding right through to the paint and to it being finished. So I'll put a link there. Not much more to say really about this old dog. Hopefully it'll make some improvements to my T25. If anyone wants to give me any advice, feel free in the comments. Thanks for watching.